Ever feel stuck staring at a blank screen, wondering what your next Faceless video should be about? You're not alone. Consistently coming up with fresh, engaging ideas is one of the toughest challenges for creators. But here's the secret. AI can do the heavy lifting for you. Start by identifying your niche. Maybe it's motivational quotes, tech facts, or health tips. Then, use AI-powered idea generators or keyword research tools to analyze trending topics and uncover long-tail questions your audience is actively searching for. These tools can suggest hundreds of video ideas in seconds, all tailored to your audience's interests and current trends. Next, leverage AI to organize and prioritize these ideas based on search volume, engagement potential, and relevance. For example, platforms like AutoShorts.ai streamline this entire process by generating content themes, scripting, and even visuals, all perfectly aligned with your chosen niche. This allows you to focus on strategy and growth, while AI handles ideation and production seamlessly. By consistently leveraging AI tools, you'll never run out of content ideas, ensuring your channel stays active, relevant, and engaging for your viewers.